Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to delete Twitter account permanently. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To delete Twitter account permanently, go to your browser and browse x.com, log into your Twitter account which you want to delete, and then on left pane click on more option and then click on settings and privacy. Under settings click on your account and here you will find an option deactivate your account. Click on it and here you will find some information. You can restore your X account if it was accidentally or wrongfully deactivated for up to 30 days after deactivation. That means after deactivation, within 30 days, you can get back your Twitter account, and after this 30 days period, the account will be deleted. Now click on deactivate and type your password here and then click on deactivate, and after 30 days your account will be permanently deleted. This is the easiest way to delete your Twitter account permanently. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.